guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today it is another subscription unboxing. So without further ado, let's get started. So I know it's been a crazy couple of weeks lately, and I hope and I pray that everyone stay healthy and safe and stay home. And if you are going to work, I know there's a couple of people that are going to work even though there's quarantine in place and there's this pandemic going around. I hope you guys stay safe every single day. Alright, so I know I've not been uploading subscription boxes or any video lately. That is because I've been very busy with my business. And if you don't know about my business yet, it is a online boutique. I'll put the description, I put the link down in the description down below. I don't know why I can't talk. Alright, so the boxes that we are unboxing today is Birchbox. So this is what it looks like. This is the month of April. I remember I missed the month of March, which is my birthday. Again, that is because that was the launch of my business and it was just crazy busy and I was just catching deadlines, so I was not able to do any type of video. But I am back and my business is up and running and the video would be coming. So alright, so now let's go ahead and unbox our April box. So they have the green tissue paper going on. I like how they kind of have a theme with the Birchbox. It's really cute. Alright, so I'm going to put them in front of me and go through it one by one. And the first thing we have here is the biggest one in the box. I have a lot of small ones here, but we'll see. So this one is the R&Co Rodeo Star Thickening Style Foam. Rodeo Star Thickening Style Foam Deluxe. This is, for the full size, is $32, and this one they have here is the deluxe size. It says here, add instant volume and lift. This non-sticky hair foam, apply 1 to 2 pumps to travel dried hair section by section and then blow dry it. So it's a volumizing, thickening foam. So you apply this after you get out of a shower and you blow dry it. Alright, so this is good. I have not tried this one yet. Now my hair is back into like its full thickness, because in a previous video, I think it was a month of November, actually October to January, I was losing a bunch of hair. I was going bald, right? And I could not even try out any hair product except the one that is working for me. So I stayed away with any hair product that was sent to me, and every single time I get a message from brands and company that they want me to review their product because, my hair and stuff like that, I had to decline because how my hair is doing. So this is something I'm going to go ahead and try. Now let's move on to the next one. Wait, did I zoom it out for you guys? I'm going to show it up close what it looks like. So this is what it looks like up close. So that is that. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is called Pore Perfectionist Refining Facial Pink Clay Plus HA and BHA One Kind. Alright, so this is a very new brand for me. I have not tried this brand yet, but this is what it looks like. Alright, so let's see here. This one, it says here, Pore Perfectionist Refining Facial Mask. For the full size, it is $24. This mask uses exfoliating acid and detoxifying clays that works together to polish and purify in one step, making your skin look bright and glowy. So that is that. Again, haven't tried this one. I don't even know about this brand, but I'm going to try it out. Alright, so the next one we have here is from MAC Cosmetics. It is their strobe cream. And let's go ahead and read here. It says here, so it's a very tiny 6 ml size. This is what it looks like. Show you guys. Very tiny. It says here, this skincare meets makeup moisturizer perks up tired, dull skin with luminous sheen. Its vitamin and green tea enriched formula easily blends both under and over foundation. And it's actually their best seller. I have not heard about this one from MAC Cosmetic. I haven't tried. Is it something new? I don't know. Ooh, still Stila. Now this one is Stila Cosmetics. It's a Beauty Boss lip gloss. Ooh, I have actually never owned a Stila lip gloss. The things that I have here with me are just their eyeshadow makeup. So can you focus for me? So this is what it looks like for their Stila. There you go. It's a very cute, beautiful pink color. And it says here this is a Beauty Boss lip gloss. The shade is called Synergy. The full size of this is $15. And it says here, we love how hydrating and comfortable this lip gloss is. The light iridescent pink shade gives lips a subtle sheen and adds volume to plumped effect. Alright, so that is that. Again, if you guys want to check out my affordable and cruelty-free lip gloss, I'm going to put the link down in the description below. Go ahead and check them out and support your girl. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. This is the last one that they have here. This is what it looks like. There you go. It says here, Lush Eyeshadow City Limits by IBY Beauty. IBY Beauty City Limits Eyeshadow Road Trip. The full size is $20. And it says here, use this light rose beige shade from the City Limits palette all over your eyelid as a base or for a simple eye look. P.S. It's infused with rosehip seed oil for added softness. Ooh, that's nice. Let's see here. Oh, this is cute. This reminds me of like, what is it, like Tarte like compact stuff. I'm not sure if it was Tarte or is it Benefit. I'm not sure. I'm mixing stuff up, but that is what that looks like. Right? And let's go ahead and open it. So it's a very neutral beige color. There you go. It did say here it's like a, what? Rose. Okay, it's a rose beige. Okay. So, yeah, that's actually a good simple look, or like a crease look. That would be nice too. That's very nice. That's cool. So, this is my last Birchbox box. I don't think I'm gonna resubscribe to them anymore, just because I'm just not happy with the things that I've been getting, and I feel like now, is it just me? But all of this is subscription box. I feel like they have the same product and it's just like different months. Like I would have this lip gloss from BoxyCharm, and then I'm gonna have this lip gloss from Birchbox, and I'm gonna have it in Allure, and it's the same brand or the same product, and I just don't feel like I should have all three of them, and I have to let go one, and that's it. And to me, I think Birchbox would be one of them. I'm not going to continue with them, but yeah, I hope I'm not missing out on anything good. But yeah, it was so much fun being subscribed to Birchbox. Do I recommend it? Of course, yes. If you're somebody who loves skincare and makeup, this is definitely for you to try out different types of product. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just a quick reminder for everyone that I am doing a giveaway, so do not forget to join that giveaway. It's going to be in the link down in the description down below. Go ahead and watch that video, go to that Instagram page. That is where you're going to find the giveaway. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!